Hey guys, it's Ryan and Walt with US Turf San Diego, and today we're going to give you a brand new office tour of our Miramar location, servicing all of your artificial turf needs. Please remember to like and subscribe to get more videos about all things artificial turf. Come on in and take a look. Guys, so we're starting in the US Turf office lobby. This is the first thing that customers see when they walk in. We like to greet our customers to learn if they are a DIY customer interested in performing their own install, or if they're interested in having US Turf perform a professional installation. When you come into the entrance of our office, we have this really cool TV back here that is displaying an installation that US Turf has performed so that customers can learn a little bit more about how to complete their installations on their own. We also have a snack bar over here where we provide snacks with water and coffee. And we also have this really cool popcorn machine back here that a lot of our customers like to take advantage of. Come on over, guys. Walt is going to give you a tour of our brand new showroom.
All right, guys, welcome to the brand new showroom at the Miramar location for US Turf. This is where the magic happens. This is where you get to come in, touch, feel the different grasses. We have a number of different grasses that are installed here on the ground, so you can see them in a large expanse. You can lay on them, you can walk on them, touch them, feel them. If you have any questions as far as what's going on with your particular area and what product might work well for you, we're more than happy to go through each of the products, kind of show you different price points, different options, and then find out exactly what works for you. We love do-it-yourselfers. You can come in, you can get all the materials here. We have all of our products on the rack over here for you to take a look at. You choose a grass, we can get you free delivery within 48 hours with your sand, your nails, your weed barrier, your gopher mesh wiring, grass, all that kind of good stuff. On the other side, if you're interested in just having us do the installation for you, you want to save a little bit of that back-breaking labor, we're more than happy to do that as well. We'll schedule an in-home consultation to have a representative come out, take some real accurate measurements, and get you an exact estimate for an installation at your property. All right, guys, thank you for taking the time out of your day to come take a look at the new showroom we have here at our Miramar location in San Diego. If you're interested in a DIY project or you're interested in a free consultation, feel free to stop by anytime. We can tell you a little bit about the materials that we offer, as well as schedule that free in-home consultation for an installation, or get you an exact price list for the materials that you might use for a DIY project. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks again for stopping in.